In this lockdown phase, many birds have started appearing. They are tweeting, chirping, squawking, and make their presence very much felt around us to lessen our gloom. The irony is, they feel free only when humans are imprisoned in their homes to make less noise and air pollution, which suffocate these pretty winged creatures. In this course of time, since last year, I alone have witnessed many beautiful winged visitors in my garden, like Manna, jungle babbler, red wattled lapwing, magpie, doves, purple sunbirds, house crows, rock pigeons, rose ringed parakeets, and the list goes on. Generally, in summers, birds make their nests and lay eggs. And be prepared to find chicks or nestlings fallen off from their nests. I too witnessed the same thing. A fledgling of rock pigeon had fallen off the nest and it had been badly injured. Having no idea of how to nurse a wounded fledgling made me a nervous wreck. Yeah, see, he has been wounded on the head. Selfish, no? Oh, looking into the camera. So I took this fledgling to a vet and he guided me how to feed it, how to nurse it. So you can see, oh my god, how it's fluttering and swings. So I'm going to cover it with a piece of cloth so that it remains contained. And now see, I'm putting some antiseptic on the wound with this syringe. Now after nursing its wound, I'm going to feed it these soaked grams. This is what I was instructed to do by the vet, and you have to forcibly open its beak. You can see it is not going to eat on its own, so you have to forcibly open its beak. If you're not going to feed like this, it's going to die. So now it's night time. I've found a home for it and I hope it likes this one. So now after 2 days, you can see there is a bump on its beak. I don't know what it is. I'm just feeding it first, but this is really bothering me. And I'm planning to take it again to the vet. Come on, eat it, baby. You have to fly high, so eat it, get strong. Come on, have some water. No, it's not ready to have it right now. I think it's feeling camera shy. Get ready for the dressing of your wound. Come on. That's it. Very good baby. Uh-oh, it's dripping. Wait. Let me put it all around. Oh, wait. Tyson is here. Your friend. Let me wipe it off. Are you okay now? Yeah. Tyson is too excited to see his new friend. Now the vet has suggested to give this fledgling. I've named this fledgling Pigeon. Okay. So I'm giving this medicine, and the vet has said this is like viral attack. So this is something antiviral medicine. Now I have changed the diet. I'm giving it chapati. I'm just rolling it. I'm making small balls of it, and again trying to feed it. Hope it accepts it, but I think I have to forcibly feed it a little bit. Yes, it's having it. Come on. Yes, very good. So one more time. Come on. Just last bite. Come on. Very good. Good baby. After a couple of days, as usual, when I left Pidgey in the garden for some time, its mother came to feed it, and it was amazing to see it eating from her more comfortably than from me. And after another couple of days, I found Pidgey's home empty. Maybe it flew away to find its new home. I really wish, wherever it is, it feels free to breathe and fly.